Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news. Leveraged investors are getting more signals their time is passing. Janet Yellen has suggested that it'll only be 6 months or so after the withdrawal of QE, and at the rundown rate of $10 billion a month, that'll be done by September, that we should expect to see the Fed raising its interest rates. Guidance that far forward has rattled some market observers, but she is confirming the cheap money era is ending. Bankers and the highly leveraged may not like it, but rates are going up worldwide. Sales of existing homes in the US declined in February to their lowest level since July 2012, down 7% from the same month a year ago. Median prices, however, were up 9% over the same period. The slowing pace of sales suggests an industry out of step with the rest of their economy. Initial claims for American state unemployment aid increased 5,000 to a seasonally adjusted 320,000 last week. The rise was smaller than expected by economists and keeps claims close to the 3-month low hit last week. At the same time, the closely watched Philly Fed regional survey has factories coming out of the cold snap busy with full order books. US mayors put out a report overnight noting that the energy boom is having a remarkable impact on their cities, raising employment and prosperity nationwide, and they see it growing to at least 2020. The Chinese currency has been depreciating remarkably quickly in the last few days, too fast for some. Foreign exchange markets are scrambling to make sense of the fall on some complex investments that risk falling out of the money and defaulting if the newly freed up currency depreciates any further. Could be some rude shocks awaiting for some investors. The benchmark US Treasury 10-year bond yields are up sharply today to 2.77%, while the oil price has slipped a little and the gold price has slipped a lot in mid-afternoon New York trading. Gold is now down to $1,320 an ounce. Meanwhile, US stocks are up more than 0.5%. New Zealand dollar is 85.5 US cents this morning, 94.4 Aussie cents, and the TWI starts at 80.1. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.